Well, this is Dr. Boney. Welcome to SCI130. This is an introductory video to kind of show you how the course is going to be organized. This course is 100% online. It's a 2-credit course, so it's not a tremendous amount of work, but it'll be enough to keep you busy. This course is also designed mostly by Dr. Miramonte, so you will probably hear her voice on some of these videos as we move along. So basically, let's kind of get started with what you would be doing. So you can see here, typically there is a to-do here, but I really wouldn't pay much attention to that. I find that to be semi-reliable. A much better thing would be to go to content and see exactly what's due when. So basically, oh, there you go. It's a little slow today. So basically, kind of just start off from the course overview. It's just still kind of a little introduction here. And then under this, you'll see the course welcome video, which is what you're actually watching right now. As far as actual policies, I'm not going to read all of these, but basically email, there's my email address. About 48 hours is what's required. Basically, you'll need a computer, internet access, etc. There is no textbooks. That's good. All this stuff relates to attendance and whatnot and how you're evaluated. You can see here that there are 10 assignments plus a scientific poster and an oral presentation that you will record and send to me for a total of 300 points. Everything is submitted in D2L, so you can read all the rest of this. Alrighty. This is a link to the actual syllabus of the course. You can go there from the college to see exactly what it is. What I really want to spend time on is the schedule. This is where most of you are probably going to end up accessing the work. So you can access the work here, or you can access the work down here. So I suggest, down here is the best one, but either way, it really doesn't matter. From there is resources for you. This is all kinds of information for you, so make sure you check all this out. There's resources for technology. Downloading center, there's free software for you like Microsoft Office, etc. If you're new to D2L, you can go here. This will give you a refresher on how to use it. If you need to know how to use Zoom, for example, if you want to Zoom with me and you have never used it, this is the link to kind of get that all set up. This is the college's list of distance learning stuff, so feel free to check that out. If you're ever uploading something handwritten, which would be rare, but there might be like a particular graph or flow chart you're making, it gives you a couple ways to do that, taking pictures with your phone, which is pretty cool. So next, that's me, Dr. Boney. There is my email, and obviously email is my preferred method, really the only method. Do not call my office at school. I'm not there. Alrighty. If and when you ever need any help, you're going to email me first and say you want to set up a Zoom. And this would be the link for all Zoom appointments that we end up setting up. Alrighty. So let's get to the fun stuff. So here's how the course works. You're basically going down week by week. And so if you take a look at the course schedule, you can see that these are all the weeks of the whole course. 5/23, I'm basically saying it starts tomorrow. So really that's why it wasn't a big rush to get you open here. It's on Saturday. You have until next Sunday. So you have 1 week to do each of these modules. This is the topic, and this would be the graded assignments. You can either access them there. You're also going to see the same thing under here, which would be the introduction to this first module. Checking over the course overview, there's always going to be something that tells you what you're doing. And then this is the actual work itself. So you're going to watch the welcome video, what you're doing now. You're then going to read the course overview materials, which is basically this, just a little quick intro about all the things I literally just went over, which is nice. So look, you're already doing that even by watching the video. So then after that, you're going to go ahead and click get a copy of the course schedule if you want. You don't really have to print it out. It's just know where it is. And then you're going to, again here, don't forget about the dinner with the scientist discussion board. So again, over here, you're just going to click this module. It's going to go to a discussion. You are going to answer this particular question. And then that's that particular part of it. And then the second one is going to be characteristics of a successful scientist. So you're going to go here. and you are going to read the introduction, and you are going to basically go ahead and read this particular article, which is right here, core characteristics of scientists. Whoop, went a little too far. And then going down the list, you're going to answer these particular questions in relation to it. Then from that point, you are going to basically do exactly what it says. Upload a reflection to the questions above. And you can do an essay or a video. Either one is fine. This due date, by the way, of course, is incorrect. I will have that. Or actually, sorry, yeah, it's been open since January. The due date is correct. Sorry, it's May 29th, and these are the attachments to it. So this is where you would end up submitting your file. And then that's how you do the assignment. So you'll see it's very straightforward. Every week you do a new module, which is nice. I'm also setting this up that I'll always be a week ahead. So even though this week coming up is Module 1, I'm going to leave Module 1 and Module 2 open. And then next week I will open up Module 3, so you can always go at least a week ahead if you want. It doesn't matter to me. So that is how the course works. And so on that note, I say good luck, and if you need me, feel free to email me, and here we go.